It's late fall, it's almost Thanksgiving here, and this is a great time of year to fish river systems, particularly river systems that run into lakes or reservoirs. In this situation, this is the Rock River and it runs into Lake Koshkonong. What you want to look for are those deeper stretches of river where not only the fish can winter, but also those deeper stretches will also house everything else that lives in the river. So in the fall, as those water temperatures begin to drop and the water levels drop, everything kind of funnels into those deeper holes and it really concentrates the fish. What we found here is that the fish are relating more to the main river channel, which does not surprise me considering how cold it has gotten. But we're concentrating on both those main river areas and the deeper wintering holes. And then as the fish get active in the evening and low light hours, they're actually moving up into the shallower stretches adjacent to those deep wintering holes. So pay attention to that. Anytime that you're dealing with a late fall situation, look on your map, look for those deeper runs, and you're gonna find a lot of fish holding up in them and a lot of the right fish also.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.